Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the random variable level 1 problems, basic level problems for regional-wide and national-wide examination point of view. These problems are very, very important. So, using this knowledge to solve these problems, get some knowledge. Using that knowledge, you can able to solve the level 2 problems. After completion of level 1, so we have to move to the level 2 problems. First, level 1 problems, exercise 1, book 1. So, first problem is very simple intermediate level problem. A random variable x has the following probability function. Table format is given. X takes values 0 and 6, count values. So, non-negative values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Corresponding probabilities in terms of k here. Most frequently asked model for the regional-wide universities and also national-wide universities, find the value of k. So now the given uh, function p of x is probability mass function here. P of x is probability mass function. P of x is probability mass function. P of x is probability mass function of x. Probability mass function of x. Sum of probabilities must be equal to 1. Sum of probabilities must be equal to 1. Now in this case, sum of probabilities, x equal to 0 probability value k, x is equal to 1 probability value 2k, and so on, x equal to 6 probability value 13k. Add up all these values, we get 48k. Simple, k is equal to 1 by 48. So intermediate level problem. But it's very, very important for the regional-wide and also nationwide. So now using the same information, we have to calculate the some required probabilities. Probability of x less than 4. X less than 4. X less than 4 means here. So from x to takes 0 to 6. So out of this 7 values only 4 values are possible. X less than 0 means x less than 4. Here x is a discrete random variable case. So strictly follow the inequality. Less than 4 means below 4. How many values are below 4 here? 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So now x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Only these 4 probability values are possible to find this requirement. So now x equal to 0k, x equal to 1, 2k, 5k, 7k, total is 15k. So k value is already found in the previous step here, 15 by 48. The answer is 5 by 16. Second option is correct. Similarly, next one, another model. Probability of x greater than equal to 5. Probability of x greater than equal to 5. X greater than equal to 5 is including 5 and 6. Minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 6 here. X greater than equal to 5 is equal to x equal to 5. X equal to 6. So probability of x equal to 5 is 11k. Probability of x equal to 6, 13k. So now 11k plus 13k is equal to 24k. 24 by 48. The result is 1 by 2. It's very simple one. Elementary problems. All are intermediate level problems. Probability of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6 here. But x is a discrete random variable. Strictly follow the inequalities. Now here this x lie between x takes values only above 3 including 6 here. Above 3 below 6 including 6. How many values are there? So now above 3 means there is a 4, 5, 6 here. Only 3 possible values. X equal to 4, that is 9k. X equal to 5, 11k, 13k. Total is 33k. 33 by 48 is the answer. Problem 5. What is the smallest value of t for which probability of x less than or equal to t greater than half? So now for what value of t, the probability value is more than half. That is a problem. So first of all, you have to take the table format. X equal to 0 to 6. The corresponding probability. Substitute k value 1 by 48, 2 by 48, and so on 30, 13 by 48. Now we have to find the CDF. So now here probability of CDF definition, x less than or equal to small x. x less than or equal to small x is called CDF. So now in this case, our requirement also CDF of t greater than half. What value of t is more than half? In this case, we have to write the CDF 1 by 48, 3 by 48, 8 by 48, 15 by 48, cumulative option. 15 plus 9, 24 by 48, 24 plus 11, 35 by 48. So 48 by 48 is equal to 1. Now, so CDF notations. This is up to 0, up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6, 1. CDF always lie between 0 and 1. Is already explained. Now our given statement, probability of x less than or equal to greater than half. So whenever the inequality is less than or equal type, definitely you have to take CDF. F of t is greater than half here. Now observe this one table. So in this third row, which CDF value is more than half? So now 24 by 48, the CDF value is half. So now 35 by 48 is more than half. 48 by 48 is more than half. So now here our consider only the more than half. More than half is 2 x values gives more than half. One is x is 5, other x is 6 here. So now t values are 5 or 6. So in this, out of these two values, which one is minimum here? Minimum of 5 comma 6 is 5. Your answer is 5. For what value of t is the CDF value is more than half? So t value is 5. Definitely CDF value is more than half. So problem 1 to 5 is a table format. So table format is given. We calculate the required probabilities. Now, so problem 6 onwards here is function format is given. Probability of x equal to j, 1 by 2 power j, j is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. X has possible values 1, 2, 3 here. So positive integral values. Positive integral values are so called natural numbers here. First of all, we have to here x greater than or equal to 5. The probability of x equal to j is 1 by 2 power j. J is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. X greater than or equal to 5. X greater than or equal to 5 is 5, 6, 7 and so on. So now substitute j value 5. 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 2 power 6, 1 by 2 power 7 and so on infinity. Now, this is infinite GB series here. So the formula is S infinity formula, A by 1 minus R. A is first term, 1 by 2 power 5. So common ratio, second term by first term, 1 by 2 power 6 by 1 by 2 power 5. That is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2 power 5. The result is 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. Seventh one, probability of x equal to even. X equal to even. So now here x takes values 1, 2, 3 and so on here. Out of these natural numbers, even numbers are 2, 4, 6 and so on infinity. So x equal to 2, x equal to 4, x equal to 6 and so on. 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 6 plus and so on. Now here is also a infinite GB series. In this case, formula is A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R. 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by 3 by 4. So 4, 4 cancel. Now answer is 1 by 3. Second option is correct. Problem number 8. X is divisible by 3. X is divisible by 3. X is divisible by 3 means so x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Out of this n infinite natural numbers. So the divisible by 3 means 3 multiples, 3, 6, 9 and so on. So up to infinity. X equal to 3, x equal to 6, x equal to 9 and so on infinity. Now x equal to 3, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 power 6, 1 by 2 power 9 plus and so on infinity. So now here is apply the formula A by 1 minus R, 1 by 8 by 1 minus 1 by 8, 1 by 8 by 7 by 8, 8, 8 cancel. The result is 1 by 7. It's a straight problem, but very important one. Problem 9. Problem 9 is different. Consider the experiment of tossing a fair coin. Fair coin means probability of getting head, probability of getting tail. Probability of getting head, probability of getting tail is same, is 1 by 2. Fair coin. 3 times. Let x be a random variable that counts the number of heads in each sample point. The probability of P of 0 less than x less than 3. X is what here? Number of heads appears when a fair coin is tossed 3 times. That is a random variable. Now x takes the values here. The minimum is no 0, no head, all heads here. So now x is called number of heads. When a coin is tossed 3 times. So now here is 0, 1, 2, 3 possible here. Now 0 heads. Here is we have to use the formula. C of x equal to NCR by 2 power n shortcut formula. Now here is NCR means NCX. NCX. X value 0. N value is equal to here is 3. X value 0. 3C0 by 2 cube. 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Total is equal to 1. Sum is equal to 1. Now, our requirement is what here? Probability of 0 less than x less than 3. XTX values 0, 1, 2, 3. So, but here is strict inequalities. We are following the strict inequalities. In this case, XTX only 1 and 2 here. Probability of x equal to 1, x equal to 2. X equal to 1 is 3 by 8 from the table, or x equal to from the probability mass function, 3 by 8. 6 by 8. Answer is 3 by 4. 1 to 9 problems are solved. Problem 10 to 14. So for understanding purpose, it's not examination problem. Understanding purpose of the concept of random variables. So we have to take this type of models. We should consider an experiment consists of 3 independent tosses of a fair coin. Probability of getting head, probability of getting tail. Say x is what here? Number of heads appears when a coin is tossed 3 times. Y is hard. Number of head runs. Number of head runs. Y is called count the number of head runs. Z is called length of the head runs. Length of the head runs. Here defined. So what is head run? Head run means what here is being defined as consecutive occurrence. Consecutive occurrence of at least 2 heads is called head run. Consecutive occurrence of at least 2 heads out of 3 here. The length means here, length of head run means number of heads occurring together in the 3 tosses. Number of heads occurring together in 3 tosses of the coin. So Y is defined, Z is defined, X is very simple, number of heads. First of all here, we have to write the sample space when a coin is tossed 3 times. So now here is 3 times here, N of S is equal to 2 cube. N of S is equal to cube, sample outcomes 8. The sample, detailed sample outcomes are, all 3 are heads. HHT, HTH, HTT, THH. First toss shows the head, tail, second one head, third one also head. THT, TTH, all 3 T's. Now here, first of all, define x. X is what here? Number of heads appears when a coin is tossed. How many heads here? 3 heads. How many heads? 2 heads. Here is 2 heads. Here is 1 head, 2 head, 1 head, 1 head, no head. It's very simple. X is what? It's a frequently frequently used concept. Now what is Y here? What is Y here? Head run being defined as the consecutive occurrence of at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads consecutive occurrence. So here is 3. So 1 here. That is called 1 head run. So now here is at least 2 heads. So consecutive at least 2 heads. So 1 here. But in this one, here is 1 head, tail. Between the 2 heads here, there is a tail here. So this is not a head run. So 0 head run. The same is 0 head run. Here is 1 head run. Here is 0 head runs, 0 head runs, 0 head runs. So to count the head runs means at least 2 heads occurring. So at least 2 heads consecutively occurring. That is called 1 head run here. 1 head run. Out of 3 coins are tossed here. Length of the head run here. Length of the head runs here. Number of heads occurring together. So number of heads occurring together here. So how many heads occur here? 3 heads are occurring here. This is the length of this one. Here is Length is 2 here. So two heads occurring together. These two heads occurring together. So this is not possible here. So uh, at least two heads are occurring together here. There is no chance here. Zero. Here is zero. Here is two heads occurring together. Here is only one head is not possible. Here is only one. Here is there is no head here. This is zero. Now, XYZ defined table format is prepared here. Now we have to uh, choose the correct option from 10th problem. The probability distribution of X probability distribution. X takes values here. The minimum value is 0, maximum value is 3. X takes values 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this table, how many zeros are there? Only one zero. How many ones here? 3 ones. How many twos? 3. How many threes? 1. So using that probability definition, zeros 1, 0 occurring only one time, 1 occur 3 times, 2 occur 3 times, 3 occur 1 time. Dividing by total sample points 8. This is the probability mass function. Suitable option is what? Suitable option is 0 1 by 8, 1 3 by 8, 2 3 by 8, 3 1 by 8. First option is correct. Next, probability distribution of y here. So y here, minimum value is 0, maximum value 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. How many ones? 3 ones. Now the probability distribution. Y takes only 0 and 1. The corresponding probability is 5 and 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. The suitable option is second option. Problem 12. The distribution function of Z here. Z minimum value 0, maximum value 3 here. So now here 0, 2, 3 consider here. So there is no 1 here in this Z sequence. Only 0, 2, 3 is there here. Now zeros. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 2 twos, 1, 3 here. So now here is 5 zeros, 5 by 8. 2 twos here, 2 by 8. 3 ones here, 1 by 8. So 1 is, there is no 1 here, 0 by 8. The suitable answer is fourth option. 0, 1, 2, 3. So not fourth option. Fourth option not wrong one. So third option is correct one. Third option is correct one. 13th problem. So probability distribution of u is equal to x plus y. So x is here 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 already defined. Y also defined. Now let u is equal to add up these two here, x plus y. 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, general addition, 3, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 0, 2. Similarly, 1, 3, 1, 1, 0. Now, you have to write the probability mass function of u. U is equal to small u, capital U is equal to small u, probability of u. So here is the minimum value is 0, maximum is 4 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros here? 1, 0. How many threes? How many ones here? 3 ones, 3 by 8. How many twos? 1, 1 by 8. How many threes? 2 here, 2 by 8. How many fours? 1 by 8. Total is equal to 1. So this is the probability mass function of u. U is equal to sum of two random variables, x plus y. The suitable option is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. Option 4 is correct. Problem 14. How you add this random variable, how multiply this one. So you can able to solve such type of problems. Probability distribution of v is equal to xy. Now x is equal to here, y is equal to r, here already noted. So this one v is equal to x into y here. So 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1, 2, general multiplication 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. Now here probability mass function of v is equal to capital V is equal to small v. Here is minimum value 0, maximum value 3 here. How many zeros are there here? 0, 2, 3. How many zeros? 5 zeros here. How many twos? 2 twos here. How many threes? 1. So now the probability function is 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. So 0 corresponding to 5 by 8. Oh, there is no 1 here. 1 means 0 by 8. So that is 0, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. Option 3 is correct. So problem 10 to 14 is very important conceptual problems here. For understanding of these problems easily, we can solve the examination problems. So 1 to 14 problems are related to discrete random variable models. So 15 onwards here, continuous random variable models. Now here, the 15th problem, the PDF is given f of x equal to k into x minus bracket x. So bracket x means what here? Integral part of x here. We should consider only integer value. So find the value of k, the probability density function of some random variable. F of x is what here? PDF. F of x is PDF. F of x is said to be PDF if f of x must be satisfied this condition minus infinity plus infinity. F of x dx equal to must be equal to 1 here. Now here we have to find the k value. So now here our given limits are 0 to 2 here. Here x is called continuous random variables. So here is less than or equal to same as to less than, greater than equal to same as to greater than. Don't bother about the limits here. For discrete random variables, strictly we have to follow the inequalities. For continuous random variables, so all inequalities are same here. So now k is a constant value taken outside. The given limits are 0 to 2. X minus bracket x dx is equal to 1. But in the given PDF, bracket x is there. The behavior of the bracket x is very, very important. We should consider the only integral values from 0 to 2 here. So bracket x is 0. So when x value lie between 0 to 1 here, but there is no integer value in this 0 to 1 here, are all fractional values. So bracket x is equal to 1 when 1 less than x less than 2 here. So in this interval, the bracket x value is equal to, you should take 1 here because 1 to 2. So here is only one integer value that is called 1 here. So 1.5 is also a 1, 1.7 is also a 1, 1.9 is also a 1 here. So now this is the behavior of the bracket x. Using this one, we have to find out the k value. Now this total area split into two parts here. So based on the bracket x here, so split the total area from 0 to split the total area 0 to 2 into 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 here. K is outside 0 to 1, x minus bracket x value here is 0, put 0 here, dx plus k into, so here is another interval. Now next interval is continuous interval 1 to 2. So x minus the bracket x value 1 in this interval 1 to 2. So now is equal to 1. So now integration of x is x square by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. So k into the limit integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 1 is x. So substitute here 1 to 2 limits is equal to 1. Equivalent to 1. Now k into 1 by 2 minus 0. K into 4 by 2 means 2 here. 2 minus 2, 2. Here is upper limit is over. Next minus lower limit. So 1 by 2. X value is equal to 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. So now is equal to 1. So k by 2 plus k into this value 0. This value minus half. Minus half is equal to plus half. K by 2 plus k by 2 is equal to 1. So k value is equal to 1. So very important model. So answer is k value is equal to 1. Problem 16. We have to find the k. In the previous problem, we have a single function is given, but in this one, multiple function here is very, very important model for the nationwide university examination point of view. So now here is f of x is PDF. Property of PDF is minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx equal to 1. And also f of x is greater than equal to 0 for every x. Now k into, so here is first interval is 0 to half, second interval is 1 by 2 to 1 here. Using these corresponding functions, we have to find out the k value. So that total area must be equivalent to 1 here. First of all, the total area must be equivalent to 1. After that, you have to find out this k value. So k into, so first interval is 0 to 1 by 2. The corresponding function is x is k outside. Second interval is 1 by 2 to 1. Corresponding PDF is 1 by 2 k into x square minus 1 dx is equal to 1. Now integration. X integration is what here? X square by 2. Lower limit, upper limit here. So substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 2 k constant taken outside. X square integration is x cube by 3. Limits are 1 by 2 to 1 minus integration of 1 is x. So 1 by 2 to 1 is equal to 1. Where k into, so now substitute here, x value is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 by 2, this is 1 by 8. So upper limit is 1 by 8 after simplification. Minus 0. 0 by any value 0. Plus 1 by 2 k. Integration here, x cube by 3. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 24. So here is 1 minus 1 by 2. So now here k by 8 by multiplying this one k by 6 minus k by 48 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is half. This minus of bringing to the right side, that is called 3 by 2, gives 3 by 2. So now here is k by 8 plus k by 6 minus k by 48 is equal to 3 by 2. Now here is LCM is 48, that is equal to 6k plus 8k minus k is equal to 3 by 2. Now 13k by 48 is equal to 3 by 2. So after simplification, k value is equal to 72 by 13. Problem 17. A random variable x has the density function f of x equal to 12x cube minus 21x square plus 10x. X lie between 0 and 1 is equal to 0 elsewhere. Probability of x less than or equal to half. Probability of x less than or equal to half. So now here there are four options. Probability of x less than or equal to half is equal to. So now here lower limit of x is here not given in the problem here, but here that the defined limits are 0 to 1 here in this interval. So we have to find our requirement. So we have to find the portion of the given limits. The given limits are 0 to 1. Our requirement is x less than or equal to half. So now the lower limit of x is here 0. Now this can be written as 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to half. This can be written as. Now help of the formula. What is the formula here? A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b for random variable, continuous random variable case. So this probability value is equivalent to a to b f of x dx here. Our a value is equal to 0, b value is equal to half f of x dx. F of x defined here 12x cube minus 21x square plus 10x dx. So now integration. So 12 is constant, x to the power 4 by 4, 21 x cube by 3, 10 x square by 2. Upper limit is 1 by 2, lower limit is 0. Now substitute upper limit, after that lower limit. So now here a simplification 3x power 4, 7x cube plus 5x square. Limits are 0 to 1 by 2. Now for substitute upper limit 3 by 16, 7 by 8, 5 by 4. Lower limit is 0. LCM 16. The result is 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is the correct option. It's very, very important model for the regional-wide universities. Problem 18. Let x be a continuous random variable with PDF. F of x equal to k into x minus x square. A less than x less than b, k greater than 0. So a is arbitrary constant, b also arbitrary constant, k also arbitrary constant. Here we have to find the a, b, k values. Very, very important model. So advanced level problem for national-wide universities. So these models are very, very important. Frequently asked model for the national-wide entrance examination point of view. Now trial and error. So actually this is a descriptive problem. So now we have to solve this problem within a minute time here. So now by using trial and error, easily we can solve this problem and find the k value. F of x is PDF here. Now integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. So now k into x minus x square dx is equal to 1. So k into integration x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Limits are 0 to limits are a to b is equal to 1. Now Substitute here k by LCM is 6, k by 6. Substitute here 3x square minus 2x cube a to b is equal to 1, k by 6. Substitute upper value 3b square minus 2b cube minus 3a square minus minus plus 2a cube is equal to 1. Now k into 3b square minus 2b cube minus 3a square plus 2a cube is equal to, by cross multiplication, 6. Now using trial and error method, put a value. Here is there are 4 options here. So a value may be 0, b value may be 1. So here is 3 options, so 0 and 1 here. So most probably here the a value 0 and b value 1 by using trial and error. So substitute a value 0, b value 0. So the third value is a k value. The k value may be 4 or 5 or 6 here. So now first of all here substitute a value 0, b value 0 in the obtained equation. Now k into a value 0, a value 0, b value 1, b value 1, this is value 3. So now this is 2, this is 0, 0. Now, so 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 here. So k into 1, k is equal to 6. So the suitable option is third option. A value 0, b value 1, k value 6. This is the process to solve the problem. Problem 19. The PDF of random variable x is given f of x equal to k into x into e power minus x square by 2. X greater than or equal to 0, where k is a constant value. Find the k value. So here is a special function. F of x is PDF of x. Now the property is minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx equal to 1. The range of x is 0 to infinity. X greater than or equal to 0. The range of x is range of x is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Now here k is outside here, k into 0 to infinity. PDF is x into e power minus x square by 2 dx equal to 1. Now let here. So this is by using transformation techniques, easily we can integrate this integrand. So first here x square, let x square by 2 is equal to t. Now we differentiate both sides here. 2x dx by 2 is equal to dt. X dx equal to dt. Put x equal to 0, t value 0. X equal to infinity, t value infinity. Now limits are same here. X limits are 0 to infinity, t limits are also 0 to infinity. Now x dx is what here? Dt. X dx from dt. Here is x square by 2 is t here. E power minus t dt is equal to 1. So remember one point here is a standard result here. 0 to infinity e power minus x dx is equal to always 1 for any random variable. Any variable of x. So any variable here is x or p or y here. This result is equal to 1. But here is procedure is given here. K into integration of e power minus t here, e power minus t by minus 1. 0 to infinity is equal to 1. So e power minus infinity is always 1 by e power infinity. That is 1 by e power infinity is called infinity. That is value 0. So e power 0 value is equal to 1. Now substitute here k value 1. This is the final answer. It's very, very, very important model for national-wide examination point of view also. Now, calculate mean value here. Calculate mean. So here is mean is equal to mu1 dash, that is equal to e of x. The formula is here is x into f of x dx. The limits are 0 to infinity. The limits are 0 to infinity. This is the formula for calculating mean value. This is same as to general mean, arithmetic mean. So now mu1 dash equal to integral 0 to infinity k value 1. So now x into e power minus x square by 2 dx. That is equal to, here is let x square by 2 is equal to t, implies here is x dx is equal to dt. So t values same here, t is equal to 0. is equal to infinity when x value 0, x value infinity. Already noted. Now here integral 0 to infinity. So now from this one here x square is equal to 2t, x is equal to square root of 2t. Now replace this x by square root of 2 into t. Here is x dx is what here dt, e power minus t dt. Now that is equal to root 2 is taken outside, 0 to infinity, e power half e power minus t dt, which is same as to gamma integrals. So what is the gamma formula? 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus ax dx is equal to gamma n by a power n. So similarly here root 2 into 0 to infinity t power, this can be written as 3 by 2 minus half. 3 by 2 minus 1, not half. 3 by 2 minus 1 is what here? Half. E power minus t dt. In this one, same as to gammas. So is equal to root t into. So now here is, so help of this formula n value 3 by 2. Here is n value 3 by 2. A value 1, not minus 1. 1 here. So now here gamma 3 by 2 by 1 power any value. 1 power 3 by 2. Here is that mu1 dash equal to, so root 2 into, so gamma 3 by 2 is what here? Half into gamma half. 1 power any value 1 here. That is equal to root 2 into half into gamma half is equal to root pi. Already noted. Watch the random variable video lessons. So now this is root 2 by 2 gives what here? So root of pi by, the mean value is equal to root of pi by 2. Third option is correct. Variance. Variance formula mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. mu1 dash whole square. Already mu1 dash is already calculated in the previous problem. So here is mu2 dash. So mu2 dash formula. So integral 0 to infinity x square into f of x dx. So now here x limits 0 to infinity given in the problem. So 0 to infinity k x square into, so x into e power minus x square by 2, so dx. So now mu2 dash is equal to integral 0 to infinity. So now x square is equal to what here? 2t. Previous one using this one transformation 2t. X dx is what here? dt e power minus t dt. Now 0 to infinity. So now 2 is constant value. So t into e power minus t dt. Convert into gammas. So intervals is 0 to infinity. T power 2 minus 1 e power minus t dt. So now here is mu2 dash equal to 2 into gamma 2 by 1 power 2. That is equal to 2 here. So now the variance of mu2 is equal to, so mu2 dash is equal to 2. mu1 dash is equal to root of pi by 2 whole square. The final answer 2 minus pi by 2. 2 minus pi by 2. Answer is none.